Hadian kejingja jong kawai ke kena kentai na katan BYRNIHAT Ribhoi District, bat hadian kejing ujor eja hard ki bahayeng, bat hadian kejing register mukadduma hanong po women PS, ki pulit ke Ribhoi ha kejing tokit bala kredu Inspector Michael R. Marang, kila lap din bakate ke kena kadon Rajasthan bat lat pet na kawai ke Jakaset Yaka, bat da kejing rap lang ki pulit ke Rajasthan, layo ban pelat imno ya kate ke kena bat wan rak biang sekejela Meghalaya. Ha kejing tokit ki Pulit Ïaka Khynnah, layo jingtip ba udon we ubriu na Assam, ubalaya long parlok bat ka lingba ke Facebook, bat pinbiet yaka banlet ka she Delhi bat Rajasthan, na kabinta kejing tho shongkurim jongki, Hinre Ïaka Khynnah la dino she Rajasthan, bat pin shongkurim bat uwe ubriu hakador lailang. Da kejing tre shitom ki Pulit banlap Ïaka Kynhun Khaii Briew, ki Pulit kila lap din ya utei ubriu ubla long parlok bat ka ubla tip kerteng kum urajesh hing live huais nem na not Tripura bat yo kem no ya u haka khat khandai terik risau na Guwahati. Shushu ha kejing tokit ki Pulin kila yo ban kem so we ubriu ubadon ketilang bala tip kerteng kum u MD Khalid Ali live huais nem na kamrup Assam haka arphui terik risau bat ha kejing beteng kejing tokin lalap ru sakaway ke kentai kabade kasnar Khaii Briew bat kanong yalam jong kate ke Kynhun kabla tip kerteng kum ka Monica na Rajasthan kabla sha kemno haki Pulin haka arpun ru terik risau na Kamakya railway station. Berok lai ngut kite ki bala sha kem kidang don hapdeng kejing sha token balayo jingtim bakila di amdunai kesan ngut ki khena kentai na buku Assam bat kawai ke khena kentai na Tripura hakini ki arsnem baladam. Kumta na kalyang ki Pulit ke Ribhoi, kila pa ke jing maham shabaro ki patba, baki dei ban husiar kamtam ki kmi ki pa, bakin pet ngor yala ki jong ki khun, kamtam ka thong ki dei ki runar, kalong banyalang parlok shwa ling baki social media, kum ka Facebook na Instagram, ban pin biet bat yalam kai, shakeleng ki jaka kari India kum ka Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan bat kiwe, Hinre ki Khaii bat depin banye ki shikithe ki jaka.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.